I turned this machine off, and now after doing a print and now turning it back on, we have this lovely blue screen, as you see, but it's easy to fix. I'll show you how. This is the little card that came with the Ender 3 when I bought it. It'll focus one day. There we go, there. It's a little 8 meg thing. What I did is I deleted the file, the bin file, by accident. So that's why we got the blue screen of death, or so they call it. It's not really a blue screen of death. It is merely a case of reload it from the Ender, the Creality website, and away you go. So what I have done is I have reloaded already. I'll show you on the computer how we do it shortly, but it's reloaded back in there, and with the machine turned off, you put the problem having big hands, put it back in and turn it back on and give it a few seconds, and it should kick back in. You see.